I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a
Guys, if you are watching this, it's probably raining outside. You will not get that wet, we promise you. You gotta come out for Mendocino Farms Rainy Day Special. We now have for $6.50, anytime from 10:30 in the morning if it's raining, till 2 p.m. you can get a $6.50 ham and Gruyere grilled cheese sandwich at any Mendocino Farms. So you gotta get out here and you will not get that wet. Making the cow wet, not that funny. I promise you, you'll never get that wet if you come for our rainy day special.
I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above.